Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add a digital signature to all your outgoing messages in Outlook. This is incredibly useful if you want to ensure that every email you send is automatically secured and authenticated with your digital signature. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails and mailbox data. This ensures everything is ready before you start making any changes to your settings. Now that your email has loaded, it's time to access the settings where you can configure your digital signature preferences. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your menus and tools are located. From here, look for the File tab and click on it. This will open up the main File menu, which gives you access to various account settings and configuration options. Once your File menu has opened, take a look at the bottom part of this menu. You'll see an option labeled Outlook Options. Go ahead and click on it to open your Outlook Options window. This is the control center for all your Outlook settings, where you can customize how the application behaves and what features are enabled. When the Outlook Options window appears, look at the left side menu where you'll see different categories of settings. From these options, click on the Trust Center tab. This section is specifically designed to manage security and privacy settings within Outlook, making it the perfect place to configure digital signature options. After selecting Trust Center, click on the Trust Center Settings button. This will open up a new window with even more detailed security configurations. You'll now see a new set of options under the Trust Center settings. From here, click on the Email Security tab located in the left menu. This tab contains all the settings related to how your emails are encrypted and secured. Now look through the options available in this section until you locate the checkbox labeled Add Digital Signatures to Outgoing Messages. This is the key setting that will automatically attach your digital signature to every email you send, ensuring authenticity and security. Simply click on the checkbox to enable it. Once you've enabled this option, click OK to save the changes. Outlook will now apply this setting, and from this point forward, all your outgoing messages will include your digital signature automatically. And that's it. You've successfully configured Outlook to add a digital signature to all outgoing messages, adding an extra layer of security and professionalism to your emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.